Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Angular 17 full tutorial series for absolute beginners as well as expert developers joining us from previous versions of Angular. There are a lot of breaking changes in Angular 17 onwards. Hence, this tutorial is equally important for both beginners as well as expert developers. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to set up a wildcard route. Very important. I would say every project will have a wildcard route because users will enter some or the other wrong URL in the application and we need to handle it gracefully. Let's go ahead and learn how to do that. Before we kickstart, important things as always, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/artutorials. Important announcement, I have launched arctutorials.com, new website, newly relaunched everything. It's your way to get free interview question answer series PDFs, code and much more. Just go to arctutorials.com and enter your email address and you'll be part of the mailing list. Alright, so back to the playlist. We have covered around 47 episodes so far in this series. This is episode number 48. Today we are learning about wildcard routes. Angular 17, like I mentioned, there are a lot of changes than what you would see, like Angular router module is not there, app module is not there, app routing module is not there, and all of that because Angular 17 is purely built on standalone component concept architecture. So make sure that you go through all the previous episodes. I've been covering it in almost every episode to help you learn. Today we are handling the wildcard routes. Okay, a wildcard is nothing but catch an undefined or unmatched route into the application. It helps users see a helpful message, and last, it should be placed in the last on the route array. Okay, a lot of people make this mistake that they will add it somewhere in the middle, at top, etc., and then your application breaks. So remember this golden rule, always add the wildcard route at the last of the route array. Okay, that being said, let's jump right into code. Alright, so we have this route that we configured in the last episode for redirect to. Okay, we are going to work on the same app route.ts and today we are adding a wildcard route. Like I mentioned, wildcard route helps us to redirect to anywhere where it did not match. Okay, so the path will always be, remember, the path will always be double asterisk. That means wildcard route and where it should go. Okay, so for that reason, let's create a component and call it not found. Okay, so we got a not found component, so I'm going to say whenever user enters an invalid path, it should come to not found component. Okay, now let's go ahead and serve this and test it. All right, so let's go ahead and bring up our localhost 4200 and I'm going to type some junk value. It will come to not found works. Okay, anything that you type here, junk value, it will say not found. You can give a better customized kind of a message if you want. Just go to not found message and say 404 error, file did not found or route did not found, etc. So go to the template and say 404 error and say 404 error. Alright, and then go to your page and see it says 404 error because it did not match the route. So that is your wildcard route where you just mention asterisk asterisk and tell them that whenever a path is not matched, it would go to this particular component. Simple as that. Alright, that was the wildcard route. In the next episode, I'm going to start with the route guards. Very important concept, especially when you're building an enterprise application which has views to be controlled based on certain criteria. That's where route guard comes into picture. I will cover all the different route guards that are available in detail with code examples, so that way it will be clear to you. Right? Thank you so much for joining in this episode. I hope you're enjoying this series and learning. Um, if you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/artutorials. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.